Hey guys, so I colored my hair pink. So I don't know if you guys know, but we recently moved into a new home and I've been wanting to do some like new stuff around the house. We're redoing our whole master bedroom and a couple things here and there. So we wanted to bring you guys along. Right now I'm gonna go to Ikea. Jonathan's gonna meet me there actually, and my mom, and we're gonna see what we can get for the bedroom. We need a dresser and nightstands. I don't know if we're gonna be able to find them there. I think I'm gonna go to Ashley's home furniture first. But yeah, I'm super excited. I've been wanting to kind of like redo our bedroom for a while, so I'm really excited that now we get to do it. And I'm actually vlogging on my phone because Jonathan has the other camera. We're gonna take Mishka for a walk right now. Mishka, come on, let's go. She's right there. So let's go walk her so she can go potty before we have to go. And I have a couple like packages that have arrived. I have a couple packages that have arrived to the house and I have here, so we need to take care of those at one point as well. Let me put you guys there really quick. I know you're coming. Yeah, you're gonna come with me. We're gonna go for a walk and then I gotta go, okay? She really needs to go. Hey guys, so my mom and I are at Ashley's Furniture and we actually just picked the dresser and nightstands, but you're gonna have to stay tuned to see what we choose. Hey guys, so we just left Ashley Furniture Store, and like I said previously, I came with my mom. Jonathan's meeting us at Ikea, but I'm not naked. But we chose the dresser and the nightstands, and they are so cool, so I can't wait for you guys to see, but you're gonna have to wait until the actual remodel of the room. So right now we're getting everything, and we're gonna show you what everything's gonna look like. So we're on our way to Ikea. We're not gonna look at dressers and nightstands anymore, but we might look at other stuff that we might need. So let's go. All right, we're at the Disneyland of adults, Ikea. So it's my mom and I. Hi. We're gonna wait for Jonathan, but we're gonna start browsing around and see if we like anything. So we'll keep you guys posted. Look at these chairs. They're so cool. They have a lot of really good stuff. This mirror is $15.
Yo guys, I made it back home. Are we recording? Recording? See? Okay. Yo guys, made it back home. We're shopping in Ikea. We're undercover shoppers today. We both have hats on. Right? So we're gonna get some new home stuff. Stefy already picked out what she wants.
Some stuff. Let me show you.
I found something I want.
Oh yeah.
A little mini husky.
Let me see. All right. So now that you're here, what is it that you want? What are you looking for?
I got what I'm looking for.
Oh.
I found it. Can I check out?
Yeah. I really like this basket. Look at the chairs. Look, the gold. Like, this is kind of the vibe we're going for. Like, gold stuff.
Black, white, and gold.
Yeah.
Golden.
Yeah, the basket is nice. Those frames are nice. So we're thinking about getting those for the towels. I love that. Lights are so cool.
It's modern.
Yeah.
My headphones.
They're only like this one's like only $43. And that one's only like $30.
Zip tie.
Oh. But you can get it where they have the kid toys.
Where?
They have them towards the end.
I'm buying this.
Jonathan really wants them.
I'm so buying that. I am so buying it. Because what? She's gonna freak out when she sees it. It's gonna be similar. And she's gonna make it.
No. Yeah, but you get them over there where they have the kids stuff.
That will be her Christmas present to my daughter.
She's gonna wreck that in like 2 seconds. Me gustan más los otros. No, pues, ¿qué le quieres poner? Remember when we were having a really hard time getting a table? Wow, look at this table.
Oh, that one.
That's nice.
That's really nice.
I love that.
That would go really well with
Yeah, it's only $400. It's really not bad. They're so nice. We're gonna get some. For the.
That's how it will look like.
Yeah. Just,
Merry Christmas.
It organizes better. Merry Christmas. Oh, I want a new one of these. The dishes. Right, so this is what we have so far. Christmas mat. What else did we get?
Blanket?
The blanket I had already for Carter when you weren't. And there were a couple
more
other,
rugs.
There were a couple other things that I wanted to get, but Jonathan did not allow me.
No, Christmas is coming up.
Hey
Yo,
guys!
we're home! Finally!
From shopping. So we got the nightstands, we got the dresser, but that's coming on Wednesday. And then we got a couple things at Ikea, but Jonathan's really excited about this particular one. By the way, we're gonna do a house tour.
Not today, but when it's all set up.
Yeah, when everything's ready. So you guys can see what everything looks like in its place where it's supposed to go. But, all right, go.
What am I showing them?
You said
Oh, Mishka thing.
So do you guys see right here?
So we got a little stuffed,
Move. It's right there.
a stuffed husky, and I want to see. I've seen some reactions online, and like when dogs see like similar dogs. So this one kind of looks like Mishka. So let's see how she reacts.
She does.
Maybe you should stand here.
Mishka, come here. Mishka, come. Come here. Come here. Hi. Hey, can you sit? Can you sit? Sit. Good girl. Okay, Daddy has something for you, but you have to stay right there, okay? Stay. What is that? Is that a furry friend? Is that another furry friend? What is it? No, you're gonna make her bite it off. Just let her do whatever. Put it on the floor. You're scaring her with it.
Okay, well,
She was wagging her tail and now she's scared.
hey, did she bite me? Look, she's wagging her tail.
Oh,
She thinks it's real?
it's not real, Mishka. You scared of it? It's falling in the... She's not sure. Look, come here. It's nice. Look, come here. Yeah. Look. Yeah. It's nice. It's for you. Come here. Touch it. Look. It's not real. I think she thinks it's real.
Well, this is the real test.
What happened? Look, Mishka, come. Look. It's not real. You can't. You're smelling the butt. The butt, I mean, should give it away, no?
She's so scared.
Okay, what about the baby?
Look at the baby one.
Yeah,
Look at the baby one. Oh, you like the baby one.
They were just growing.
Oh, Aiden doesn't like that. He says no more dogs.
Aiden's gonna pee on that one. Okay,
Oh.
bye!
She likes that one. Aiden's concerned.
Oh my god.
Yo,
hey guys.
We are done with the vlog. Hope you enjoyed this video. We got a lot of fun stuff at Ikea to remodel the house. That's pretty much good to go.
No.
Well, Stefy
There's still a couple things because we want to change like the hardware to be gold, and we want to change like the sink to be gold, and a couple things. So it's really not done, and we want to change the floors.
Coming. Calm down, calm down.
So,
Christmas is coming.
Yeah, I know, but you're telling them the house is pretty much done. It's, no.
So,
like, I mean, I would say it's like a 75%.
Yeah, so it's 75% done. So we're going to put up some videos next right now that you can watch about our house. So click those videos, watch those videos, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.